Have you ever tried making tortillas that are this soft, this flexible, and this green? Today I'm making spinach tortillas that turned out so good for burritos it honestly felt unbelievable. And don't worry, I'll show you every small detail, especially the rolling part, so even beginners can get it right. Let's start with the spinach. Blanching is a very important step here. It not only makes the spinach easier to blend, but also gives that beautiful vibrant green color. Bring a pot of water to boil, then add the spinach, let it cook for about 5 minutes, then wash it with cold water. This sudden temperature change helps lock in that fresh green color. Don't skip this step. Once cooled, squeeze out all the excess water, then transfer to a blender and make a smooth puree. In a bowl, take 3 cups of all purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat flour if you prefer. Make a small well in the center. This helps mix everything evenly. Now add spinach puree, Greek yogurt, and salt. Yogurt is the secret here. It makes the tortillas super soft. Start by mixing the wet ingredients first, then begin kneading. Add water gradually as needed. The dough should be slightly sticky, not too hard. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and knead again until everything comes together smoothly. The dough looks good to me. Apply a little oil on top, cover, and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, divide the dough into equal portion balls. Let them rest again for 5 minutes. This step helps relax the gluten, which makes rolling much easier, especially if you are a beginner. Now comes the most important part, rolling the tortilla. Use flour only as needed. Too much flour will make your tortillas dry and hard. Start with a rolling motion. You will notice the dough is shrinking back. That's completely normal. That is why we roll gently in the beginning until the dough relaxes. Once it stops shrinking, switch to rolling in one direction to stretch it out evenly. If it stops stretching, dust a little flour, flip the dough, and continue rolling. I have kept this part unedited so you can really observe the technique. If you already know how to roll, feel free to skip ahead. But if you're learning, this is where the magic happens. Once rolled, gently dust off any excess flour. Place it on a hot pan. Medium to high heat is the key here. If the heat is too low, the tortilla will cook slowly and lose moisture, making it dry. So always cook on the right temperature. Optionally, spray some oil and flip 3 to 4 times until you see small brown spots on both sides. Once cooked, cover them with a cloth. This traps the steam and keeps the tortillas soft and flexible. And the best part, these tortillas are super versatile. If you have toddlers or kids who don't like greens, this is a great trick. Just turn it into a simple cheese quesadilla and they won't even notice the spinach. Healthy, delicious, and totally family friendly. With the spinach tortilla, I made a meal prep breakfast burrito with eggs, potatoes, and bell peppers. And honestly, it turned out so good. If you try this, let me know how you use these tortillas. Thank you for watching.